This chapter is actually just a review of material we've already covered. So this is where the book introduces proportions, but we've actually already been looking at proportions for a while now. So most of the questions in this chapter are really just going to be review. I do want to look at number 1 here because it's a little bit different. Sometimes, not often, you have to put together the rate yourself, so the solution strength, because if you look at the label here, we don't see any slash, we don't see any per, we don't see any contains. It's not a tablet, so we actually have to put together the solution strength or the rate ourselves. And it's coming from the 0.2 milligrams and the 1 ml. So my available medicine, my strength, is 0.2 milligrams over 1 ml. So again, it doesn't happen that often, and it's kind of tricky, but this is how we do it. And our order is coming in at 350 micrograms. And before I can solve the proportion, I need to get my units to match up. So I'm going to convert this one, but you could convert this one if you wanted to. So that's going to be 200 mcg. And then if I solve, 1 times 350 divided by 200, then I get 1.75. And they want us to round to the nearest tenth. So this is 1.8 mLs. And then I want to shade this. So this is the second mark before the 2. So right there. And that will be my answer.